Hi, my name is Brian Eckenrode. I am on faculty in the Department of Physical Therapy at Arcadia University. I'm also a physical therapist and board-certified orthopedic clinical specialist. I oversee the Arcadia University Running Injury Clinic, and I'm here to talk today a little bit about safety when it comes to exercising outdoors, particularly with running in the time of the pandemic. First, current government recommendations are that you maintain 6 feet or more from other individuals. That is really meant for stationary activities. So if you are running or biking or any other exercise outdoors, you're going to give yourself probably more than 6 feet. Additionally, you should be wearing a mask, again, when you're in proximity of particularly in proximity of other individuals. It is hard to exercise while you have a face covering on, especially if you're exerting yourself. So while a mask may be of some benefit, something like a neck gaiter or buff, such as what I have wearing here, these are really easy because they can be easily pulled on or pulled off. You do want to watch how much you are touching your face, and that when you do come back from your run or biking activity, that you do wash your hands thoroughly to again prevent transmission of disease. If you wear a mask during the whole time of your exercise, the problem is it's going to become harder to breathe, but B, it's also become saturated with the moisture as you're inhaling and exhaling. So again, an advantage of being able to sort of pull something on and off only as needed is it's also going to minimize how much moisture is on the cloth covering or mask. So you might find it helpful to sort of have something that you can sort of pull on or pull off quickly and easily, especially if you are encountering other individuals. Yes, it is totally fine to exercise outside. Going for runs or bike rides or walks in the neighborhood where you're not really going to encounter an individual, or you can cross the street, is totally fine and totally safe. But if you decide you want to do some other alternative exercises, something like jumping rope is great to do. Again, you don't need a lot of space for it, and it has a lot of the same muscle activation patterns that you would use for running. I use it as an educational activity for runners who are going back from an injury. It's a nice way to load some of the same muscles that you would use while you're running. Again, there are a number of other exercise programs you can download find off of YouTube, or a lot of personal trainers or gyms have services that they offer to do aerobic exercises within the homes, which again are going to be helpful, to maintain some type of cardiovascular fitness, but also for that mental sort of break from the sort of day-to-day monotony of work or whatever activities you are doing within the home. Again, it's going to be important to sort of stay motivated. I know no one has any races or any other events that they can partake in, so staying kind of motivated by having some type of semblance of an exercise program is going to be helpful to get you through this unprecedented time. And with that, stay strong, Arcadia.